This is section 622. We're going to construct the geometric sequence. And so you will be able to, after this lesson, be able to construct the geometric sequence. So in the last one, we talked about the arithmetic. In this lesson, we're going to be focusing on the geometric. So a geometric sequence with a first term a and a ratio r is given to be this formula. And then obviously n starts at 1. So the goal is to find what the first term is and then what your common ratio r is. What are you multiplying by? And then you just plug it into the formula. So my first term is -1, and it looks like I'm multiplying by -6 every single time. So that's going to be my common ratio r. So then you just plug it into the formula. So -1 times r to the n minus 1. And we can be fancy, where n is greater than or equal to 1. Same thing. We need to find my first term. And then what am I multiplying by? It looks like times 5, times 5, times 5. So my common ratio is 5. So it's going to be -3 times 5 to the n minus 1, where n is greater than or equal to 1. Go ahead and give this one a shot. Try creating the formula. So my first term is 4. It looks like we're multiplying by 4 every single time. So my common ratio is 4. So it's going to be 4 times 4 to the n minus 1. So what did we learn today? We talked about how to construct the geometric sequence. And the two values that we need to form that geometric sequence, we need the first term a and the common ratio r, which is what you're multiplying by. This does conclude our lesson. If you have any other questions, please leave them in the comments.